In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're getting an error with trying to change from a public to private network in your Windows computer. So more than likely, if you're having an issue, the option may be missing entirely. So we're going to go over how to resolve that if you don't even have the ability to switch. So we're going to go into the registry here. So left click on the start menu one time, type in regedit. So regedit, best match should come back with regedit here. You want to right click on it and then left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to left click on yes. So I just gotta back out of here. This is from a previous tutorial that I made. You want to probably make a backup of your registry before proceeding. So in order to do that, just go up to the File tab one time up at the top, left click on it, left click on Export. Name the file whatever you want, save it in an easily accessible location, and set export range to all, and then just left click on save. Take a couple minutes to make the backup, and if you ever have to go back to this backup, go up to the File tab at the top, left click on import, and you just would navigate over to the registry backup and then just left click on open, and you would be able to restore your registry. So once you've made your backup, you want to go ahead and expand the HQ local machine folder. So either double click on it or left click on the little arrow next to it to expand the selection. Now you want to go down and select the software folder, expand that one as well. Expand the Microsoft folder. Now you want to go expand Windows NT, so going to be near the bottom. Right here, expand that. Now you want to expand current version. And you can also follow along with the path up at the top bar here, so in case you guys were unaware. So again, after you've expanded the current version, you want to go expand network list. So expand that. And now you want to go ahead and left click on profiles. Now you want to expand the profiles folder. Now there may be several in here, so you want to go ahead and just do this for each one of them. I only have one user profile on this computer, so I'm going to select the first one and only one listed in here, and you want to go over to the right side and look for something that says the category dword value. So double click to open it up. Now this is going to be very important here. If you want to set it from public to private, you want to change it to 1. So the value data should be set to 1 if you want it to be a private network. 0 is going to be a public network. Keep that in mind. So again, 0 is public, 1 is private. Once you have made your selection, again, just type the number in here. Do not spell it out. Once you're done with that, left click on OK. So again, it's after you made your change. Close out of the registry editor, restart your computer, and hopefully your issue has been resolved and you're using the network properties that you wanted to from the beginning. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.